My name's Jasper and I'm from Swansea. So I've been wanting to make movies since I was about 2 years old. I used to run back and forth from the kitchen and the living room watching Toy Story 1 and 2, and it got to a point where I knew all the best bits, so I knew when to run into the next room. And I was very fortunate that my parents kind of helped me realise this dream that I had, and they've pushed me forward and have given me some tools basically to reach where I want to go. In the future, I'd like to make a production company in Wales and making stories from Welsh people about Wales.